Keep your foot on
This
it.
grip! This grip!
Say that again. Oh! We playing bumper cars now?
No.
Everyone just hit the gas.
Hit the gas, y'all. Hit the gas. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving. Oh!
Yeah, but we got here.
Everyone turn to the left.
Turn to the left.
Gas. Kids, I need you to hit the gas.
In front of us. You gotta hold it.
Hold down that pedal.
Hold it.
Let's hit that pedal.
We on the boat. We on the boat.
Oh, Lord. Now we all
Oh no! What's going on here?
No, you should.
Wait.
Sorry, guys. No. No.
Don't bump nobody.
No.
Move down to your leg way over here.
Sorry.
We on a fantastic voyage, y'all.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Let's go. My baby driving. Look, my baby driving. My baby
We're
driving.
gonna hit.
My baby driving. We on the water. We boating. Listen, move your leg.
I'll cut you. I'll cut you. Out. Yeah.
Where we going? Oh, Dalton, you can't be hitting stuff. Move your leg.
Turn.
I don't know. Wait. My gosh, I could do a better job.
Yeah.
Dalton,
Sorry. Turn.
move.
Now turn to the right. Now turn to the side.
This child, man. I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm a bad driver. No.
Wait, I don't know which way this. Which way?
I have to go straight.
No, I don't want to take a picture. I want to know where the camera is facing.
The camera's for facing me. Turn.
Wait,
Let's
is it
grab.
facing me? Oh my gosh. I don't know, y'all. Hey, move.
Sorry.
Blind cameraman, inexperienced boat driver.
Daddy, you're facing the other way. Daddy?
Ah!